Underneath the sunset sky where the ocean meets the breeze, the island whispers stories in the rhythm of the seas. Every wave that kisses shore brings the love of long ago. Feel the heart of Tahiti, where the island's magic grows.
Le vent danse avec les palmiers, la nuit est douce. Dans l'air une chanson d'amour, rien n'est plus doux. Viens et suis le son des vagues, on s'envole. Tahiti, terre de rêve, l'amour prend son envol.
Wahine boy to Tahiti, I love this land so true. The more I'm not the head of it, oh. Let the island waves take you to a place where dreams come true. Imana te finguanane, feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Island waves come alive.
Walking through the soft white sand with the moonlight in your eyes. The stars above are dancing to the music of the tides. Every step we take tonight brings us closer to the shore. Feel the beat of our hearts, we can't ask for more. La mer est claire dans notre chemin, la nuit est infinie. Dans le ciel les étoiles brillent, c'est notre mélodie. Les vagues chantent, le cœur bat fort, on est libre. Dans cette île de lumière, notre amour est libre. Wahine boy to Tahiti, I love this land so true. The more I'm not the head of it, oh. Let the island waves take you to a place where dreams come true. Imana te finguanane, feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Island waves come alive. Feel the soul, let the island take control. Move your body, sway with me, dance the night in harmony. Oh, oh, under the moonlit sky, let's get lost in paradise. Wahine boy to Tahiti, always this land so true. The more I'm not the head of it, oh. Place where dreams come true. Imano le bonheur tout est ici. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Island waves come alive. Island waves come alive.